Hey, I'm Shreyesh. I'm a Nepali graphic designer who lives in US. And today's topic is going to be about how to get your first client. Let's go. Okay, the first step is to get your work out there. So, how do you get your work out there? There's so many platforms. How can't you get your work out there? That's the real question here. Like, you can post it on Instagram. You can make an Instagram account for your work. Or even a Twitter or Facebook page just for your work. Or my favorite, making a website and putting your best work there. You know, the top 5 or top 10. That's all you need in the beginning. And also try to, if you have progress work, like how you made this, like the steps you took, like the sketches, the this and that, then put that too. It helps. It helps tell the client that you actually care about their work and you actually think about it before doing it. And also, this helps too. Just practicing every day and posting it online. Like me personally, I love photography. In the beginning, I didn't have a lot of models or a lot of friends to take pictures of. So I took pictures of me. Yeah, I posted it every day for like 8 or 9 months and it went pretty well. I felt as if I was growing as an artist, growing as a designer and a photographer by making mistakes along the way. Life is about mistakes. You have to make them, then you have to learn from them. So just post your work. Put your work out there so people will find you or know where to look for your work. You don't want to be that guy who says, oh, I have PDFs. It's right here. It's right here. They don't want to see a PDF sent via email. No one wants that. I don't even want that. Like, I don't even want to do that to myself. That's just too much work. You have to email them, each person, and that's only if they want to see it. Are you stupid? Just post it online. Just do it right now. So, step 2. Don't forget to update your work. Like, many people just feel like, oh, I posted my best work and that's my best for my whole life. No. That's your best at that moment. And as a designer, if you're not improving every year, or at least a little each month by trying something new and even failing from it, then you're not actually growing as an artist. You're just staying at that constant place where you're not going up. You're most likely gonna go down throughout the years because technology and new ideas, new trends are gonna be around. You're just gonna fall behind. And you definitely don't want that. Yeah, clients do notice that you haven't posted or haven't done this or that for a while. So they're gonna feel like, oh, maybe he's not doing it anymore. That's the last thing you want someone to think about you, because you know you can do better, or at least try to do better. So just update your work. It could be in your Instagram, your Facebook, anywhere. Just start updating it. Whew. So the third step is to start networking. So how do you start networking? There are many ways. For example, there's Facebook pages, Instagram accounts, LinkedIn, Twitter. Like, there are so many ways you can network with people. Comment down below if you want me to start like a little group chat, a little community that you could throw ideas or just talk to me one-on-one or even in a group. If you do, say yes, and also come up with a cool name. Like, yeah, why not? It could be a fun experience for all of us. In the future, if I have way too much work, I could transfer those clients to you, but I have to check your portfolio and everything beforehand. I don't want my clients to be like, oh, he's not doing a great job, blah blah blah. So yeah, in the future, who knows, you know? Maybe I could give you a job. So the fourth and final step. You're not gonna like it. I already know it. It's oversaid many times by many people, but I feel like it's one of the most important ones, is to work for free. Yeah, I told you you're not gonna like it, but yeah, working for free. Like, I don't mean work for free like completely, you know? Like, you gain something from it. And don't forget to subscribe and also follow my Instagram. I'll have the links down below. I guess this is me saying goodbye and farewell. See you next time. Shreyesh out.